If you use WhatsApp, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see this important feature you must not turn off right now. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your WhatsApp. The next thing you need to do is to click on this three dot from the top. The next thing you need to do is to click on settings. Then go to account. Then go to security notifications. And it's going to take you right here. And by default, this is going to be turned off. And what you need to do is to simply turn it on. It's that simple. Once you turn it on, if anybody wants to hack your WhatsApp account or someone is trying to have access to your WhatsApp account, WhatsApp is going to send a notification to you. And what you need to do is to simply decline it. And this is one of the great security you can give to your WhatsApp to block hacker from taking over your WhatsApp account. As simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.